In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an account in Web of Science. Just write Web of Science here, and on these tabs you just go to this PUBLONS Publons here. Go to that Publons here and just make an account. It does not require a university or institution email, just your common email, and you register yourself, and the Web of Science will automatically extract your publication, your information. You see here, my publication is 17 now, and the total citation is here 484, but in my Google total citation is somehow more than that, 603. You see here, so this means that Web of Science not taking your self citation. Self citation means that when I cite my own paper, that is called self citation. You see, in my H index is 11 here, but in Google Scholar my H index is 12 here. You see, this is the difference, because Google Scholar count my self citation while Web of Science do not count self citation. Web of Science is more reliable than Google Scholar. So you just make your profile here. The basic thing here, you see here, this is my bibliography here. You see here, this is my ID, Web of Science ID here, and you can see here, these are my research field here, advanced material, dye-sensitized solar cell, and everything here, and this is my affiliation, everything. Now let's go to my publications. You will see here, so very tremendously they just take the logo of that journal here. So you can see that I publish in IOP here, in you see Springer Nature here, Elsevier, mostly it is Elsevier, and also ACS here, you see here. So this is RAC, General Material Chemistry A. So all this information are available here. Now you can see that my each article receive this much citations here. You can see. Now I want to mention here that this Web of Science give you a very nice stuff. Look here, this is my impact over time here. So if you see this, so you can easily understand that whether I am a good researcher or not a good researcher. Look at my publication profile here. In 2014 I published 2 publications, in 2015 5 publications. You see, I was a quite active researcher here. Similarly here, and in 19 I have 2 publications. Look my citation increasing with this time tremendously. You see here, in 2018 this much, in 2019 157. Here you see 157 in 2019, but it is the other way around here. Look at my 2018 186, and this is the lower one here, the 2019. But here it's showing me that in 2018 I have 150 citations, and 2019 I have 157 citations. You see, my graph is growing. Now this is the 2020 here, and it is not here, and I hope it will be there. So it gives you very nice statistics about your research, about your work here. And you can also add here peer review. Peer review means that if you have any editorial job, for example, if you review something or if you are editor of something. So if I don't have so far, so I just want to show you that how to do this. You just need to add here. You see here. So if you add this, it will be more powerful. Your profile will be more powerful and more attractive, and people will see that how you can help people and how you are beneficial part of the society. It is a lot of information here. In the next videos, I do not want to make it now a lengthy video, but it has a lot of information providing for the researcher and part of the science and research communities, the Web of Science, and it is more reliable than Google Scholar. Thanks for watching.